This video aims to show you a very simple way of creating this butterfly ribbon. Welcome guys to PLD craft class, where we simplify complicated craft works and show you how to make amazing craft. As usual, I would recommend you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you would get notifications whenever a new video is put out. For this ribbon, these are the measurements you would be using of grosgrain ribbons and satin ribbons. The pink and flowery ribbons are grosgrain, while the lemon ribbon is satin. So we would be starting by folding our pink ribbon with a measurement of 8 centimeters, folding it in this way and using a needle and thread to sew through the base. Make sure you sew through right till the end and pull, after which we would pick up our second grosgrain ribbon, which is 4 by 4 centimeters, and fold in a kanzashi way. More videos on making the kanzashi petal will be going up on this channel very soon. So another reason to hit the subscribe button so you would get notifications whenever these videos are out. Remember to use your fire to heat seal and use your forceps to hold. Then cut at the base right there, cut, and then do some more heat sealing. Not too much, just enough to melt and seal our ribbon to prevent it from loosening. And then we continue by passing our needle through, just slightly at the bottom of that petal right there. Pass our needle through, pull, and then we would do the same thing we did for the first ribbon, the first pink ribbon. We're going to repeat the same thing over again. We're going to fold in this way and then pass our needle through. Remember, the way you position the ribbon is very important. Could ruin your work, and you know, once you pass your needle and thread through, you might have to start all over again. So it's good you check very well and position your petal properly before you pass your thread through. Okay. Now we're picking our satin ribbon. Measurement is 2.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and we're just going to heat seal. Satin is notorious for getting loose on the ends, that's why you need to heat seal. And remember, I talked about positioning, so you might want to, you know, twist and turn your ribbon in a direction that would make sense before you sew through. All sewing techniques are, the only sewing technique, is the running stitch, nothing more than the running stitch. Alright, so we're about to attach this other piece, and this is 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. You want to make sure the tips touch each other, and this is another technique for making a kanzashi petal. So these are just different ways you can use the kanzashi petal in your work. And then fold, and remember to heat seal after you cut. Alright, now we're folding the second petal. We're folding it right in face. That measured 2.5 by 5 centimeters in length, and we're still going to sew through it just as we did the first. Running stitch, sew through it, and join just right at the beginning with the first petal. Guys, do not forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it so far, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more notifications whenever I release new videos. Alright, so we're done sewing through. What we're going to do now is just to adjust a little bit with our fingers and then pass our needle to the back where we're going to knot the thread, you know, so that our work doesn't get loose. So we just knotted twice, and we're going to cut off the excess ribbon. Okay. Alright, we're done, guys, and now at this point you can go ahead and attach to a clip or to a headband or to a hairband, whichever you want to attach. You can actually attach this to a dress as well. You can attach it to a brooch pin. It doesn't really matter. You could just, you know, go crazy with it and do whatever it is you want. Alright, thanks guys for being a part of this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and again subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.